Ream Classic Edition. It's getting replaced. I got the logo off of it. I'm gonna start up the new one soon. There's two new ones. One. There used to be two of these units there. One got replaced a few months ago. Now they did the second one. They're both now Ruud units. They're not. I thought they were Reams, but they're actually Ruud units. Very nice units. We're still working on it. Here's your control panel box right there with all the Ream stuff on it. I'm gonna see. Let's see the information on this. It's R410A, of course. Oh god. Okay, let's see. So it has one phase, 230 volts. I wonder how many tons it is. I think this thing is they're both 2.5, I think. Oh, there's a GE Fujitsu right there as well. There you go, GE Fujitsu. There's a rotary, I think. The CER is 14 through 16. Really nice unit. They both have Copeland scrolls. This one's already. Let's see. Yeah. Try to get you. It's not focusing. Try to get it. Yeah, it's an Emerson Copeland. And the fan motor is a I can't read the fan motor on this thing. These tops can come off and these Ruud logos can come off if you ever need to dust behind it, if you ever needed to. These have good, and they have gigantic control boxes, which I love about these things. So you can always make servicing easier on this. Here's the info on this one. 60. Okay, it's 230 volts, one phase, 60 hertz. Serial number, model number. I think it was made in February 2018. It was made. There's your terminals going to the units and stuff like that. Yeah. You don't need. You already know, probably. Those are giant copper tubes on these things. Dang. Let's go back to the to this thing. You can take off this cover. Here's the info on this. Take that off. There's your Copeland. Here's the Copeland scroll compressor that failed on this thing. Here's the model number for this. It is I wonder how many tons this thing is. It's one phase, 60 hertz again. This was made in 2005. They were both put in at the same time, so they're both 2005 units that used to be here for these things came in. Well, that was the 2018. The other one's probably 2019. So, yeah. Your warnings. Here's your capacitor, compressor. There you hook it up and stuff like that. Here's whatever that is. I don't know. Module to set it off, I guess. Ream tag and stuff like that. I'll show a picture of what the logo that was supposed to be on the fan looked like. It's a 2-blade version of it. So yeah. Let's put this back on. Yeah? Okay. Yeah. They might be starting them up now. Yeah, they're turning it on. Let's see. For startup. Oh, this one was made in August of 2019. This one was made. Are they starting it up? There she is. First startup.
Check here. So.
There's your PSI gauges. We're at 150 PSI.
Go down.
It's your first stop on the compressor. Look at that. Ooh, that thing sounds sweet. Dang, that's an awesome sounding compressor. Much happier than the other one. Since the other one's dead. See, it's starting to get cold. Getting cold. Yeah, we're getting cold. This is dropping about. Yeah, it's dropping. I bet she still has to build heavy pressure and everything like that. There you go. There's a read. Oh, a Ruud, never mind. Well, it's technically a ream, though, since they both have cold. These things do have, the one over there also has cold root scroll. Look at that. That's a nice sounding compressor. Sort of sounds like a recip, honestly. I might get some air handler action, I don't know yet. Oh yeah. August 2019. And this one is, oh, that one's June 2018, not February. This one's hanging off a little bit, that might be a problem. Might be. How's it sound? Sounds good. Sounds better than the other one, that's for sure. I bet they might have to move that.
He wants it to breathe and for us to clean it, so he might leave it.
Well, he might be able to put it on the grass a little bit.
Just shut off.
Okay, there's your shutdown. So yeah, let's see if I brought over my temp gun, so let's see. How cold did that get? 59 degrees. That's colder than my unit. My unit puts out like 70. Oh. So yeah, that's about it for this unit. I'll come back if it comes back on. The old air handler has a metal blade. Looks in pretty good condition. There's your old air handler. Right here, ream. I don't think this one has a logo. I don't think. Okay. Here's the new air handler. Wow. New one's gigantic. Is this from the new one or the old one?
That is the old.
Oh.
Maybe you got a logo there. Is the logo there?
No. Air handler's running. Wow.
Tiene que abrirle acá, mirá. Tiene que abrirle acá. Hace demasiada presión en el retorno. Sácale el tornillo.
She's running. See how cool we're getting on it? 60s. That's like about 59. That's 79. Exactly 20-degree difference. So she runs. Yeah, she has a full charge. It's already getting hot. So guys, see how we're getting it on coils. 80. Yeah. I just have to put this piece on and it's basically done with. Can you see? Oh, wow. classic. That unit's never gonna be seen again. That unit's done. How heavy are those things about? How heavy are they? That's the rip of that Dream Classic. And now there's two new Ruud Achievers. They're not Achievers with logos, but well, they do have logos, but they don't have tops.
Check this.
Yep. Yeah, just have to put that on. It should be good to go. Yeah. So. Weird not to see a Reading Classic in that spot. Two Ruuds. So it's gonna be a while to get used to see two new units in there. So that was a successful install. There she is. She's all fixed up and paid off. She'll last for about 20 years, let's hope. There you go.
Okay, now he's gonna go upstairs and turn that on.
Okay, let's see it, come on. Okay, here's the second Ruud starting up. Here we go. Here's the second one start up. This one has a hard start up right here. It only gave me a scare when it started up. See that got dented in when they were probably installing it. How we doing? It's good. Cool. 66 is showing. Yeah, this is be any difference, but you never know. There you go. Shut down. So yeah, so that's about it. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one.